Until recently, if you wanted a commercial that actually looked like a commercial, you needed a team. A director, a DP, a studio day, a retoucher, a colorist, weeks of production, 5-figure budgets. That's over. Right now, one person, solo, can ship a commercial that hits the same quality bar. No crew, no studio, no weeks of post, no 5-figure invoice, one prompt, one model, one afternoon. The model is Pippit AI Agent's Dreamina Seedance 2.0. I sat down with it this week and built 5 premium commercials across 5 industries. From scratch, alone. Same level of output as the agencies are billing tens of thousands for. None of the cost, none of the wait. Stick with me, I'll show you exactly what's different, and the one feature at the end that honestly felt like magic. If you sell products or run ads, you know the pain with AI video. Warped logos, shifting shapes, 3 faces on one character. Fast output, but nothing you'd ever ship. This new model is a game changer for marketers, e-commerce sellers, business owners, and creators. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is the first model where the output looks like a proper commercial. No melting, no distortion, no AI plastic look. Here are the 5 things it does that nothing else does at this quality. Stick around till the end, because Feature 5 changes everything for e-commerce sellers. First up, precision. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 understands product textures the way a real commercial DP understands them. Leather, liquid, metal, matte, gloss. It lights and renders every surface correctly. Watch what happens when I drop in this luxury timepiece prompt. The brushed steel, the alligator scales, the exact position of every dial index. All of it holds through every single frame. Nothing melting, nothing shifting between cuts. The hands even stay continuous. The time on the dial reads logically from shot to shot. For e-commerce sellers, that's the difference between an ad you actually run and an ad you quietly delete. But precision alone isn't enough. What happens when you need your actual product in the commercial, not something that just looks similar? That's feature 2. Product referencing. Upload a photo or video of your real product, and the new model references it accurately across every cut. The silhouette holds, the brand identity holds. You can generate a full 10 to 15-second commercial with multiple scenes, multiple angles, and the product is unmistakably your product in every frame. Let me try it with something technical. Every angle, same headphones. Not vaguely similar. The exact same product, cut to cut, same ear cup shape, same logo placement, same hinge geometry, same color tone, frame after frame after frame. That's what referencing is supposed to do, and that's what most AI models still get wrong. Okay, textures hold, products hold, but what about the human side of a commercial? The part where every other AI tool completely falls apart? This is where Pippit separates itself from the pack. Storytelling. Most tools generate clips. Pippit generates commercials with scene logic and character consistency. One prompt, one narrative arc. Same face, same mood. One coherent story across 4 cuts. That's what lets a skincare brand tell a real before and after with the same model in both shots. What lets a fashion label shoot a full day in the life without hiring anyone. Pippit doesn't just generate ads, it understands how ads are actually supposed to work. Now, a commercial with no voiceover is only half a commercial. And if you've ever tried stitching AI video with a separate voice tool, you already know the nightmare. Timing off, tone wrong, mouth movements out of sync. So Feature 4 handles all of that natively. Script voiceover is built directly into the prompt. Write what you want the commercial to say. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 generates a natural-sounding voiceover timed to the visuals. No separate audio tool, no manual syncing, no outsourced freelancer. It's included in the same generation. Watch how tight the sync is on this one. Listen to it. Every word lands exactly on the visual beat. The serum pump, the smile, the logo reveal, the VO doesn't drift. The tone matches the mood. And it was all generated in one shot.
I stopped chasing perfect. I started feeding my skin. Bloom Serum. 5 plant actives, 0 pretending. Bloom. Real skin, real radiance.
No post, no resyncing, no paying a freelancer. For DTC brands shipping ads weekly, this alone is the whole reason to switch. And 5th, the one I promised you at the start, dynamic motion. Upload a flat 2D product image, 1 photo, that's it. Pippit orbits a full 360 degrees around it with natural camera movement. Slow dolly ins. Graceful pullbacks. Subtle rotation that reveals texture and depth. Watch this pour-over set come alive from a single product shot. Your static product photo becomes a 3D feeling commercial with real depth and cinematic motion. A whole Shopify catalog of flat product shots? 30 seconds per product. Here's what I made in one sitting with Seedance 2.0. A luxury watch TVC, premium wireless headphones, an artisan pour-over coffee set built from a single flat product photo, 3 commercials, 3 industries, 0 cameras, editors, or reshoots. Precision, product referencing, storytelling, voiceover, full 360 motion from a flat photo. 5 capabilities no other AI tool brings together in one generation. AI videos that finally look like real commercials. So here's where we land. Scale your brand with premium level commercials. Powered by Pippit's newest model, Seedance 2.0. If you run an e-commerce store, brand, or agency, the link in the description gets you in. Grab it this week before your competitors do. Smash the like button and subscribe for the next commercial breakdown. Drop your product in the comments. Best one gets built live in the next video. See you in the next one.